one of the things you'll notice as you taste is that no two items on this table have a similar flavor profile.
Okay.
We don't have a standard dressing that we use, and maybe just change out one thing.
Right.
Flavors are all unique. So for example, in the Mediterranean couscous, the acid is lemon. And then the two spices you're going to get are cumin and coriander. And if you want to, just to become familiar with those, I don't know if you're familiar with those tastes by themselves, you can taste, and then when you taste the product, you'll notice them in
No, I know what
Okay. Even if you smell and even if you get the smell and the aroma, it kind of helps you understand the complexity of
Video with
the flavor
Yes, you
profiles.
you
Our tropical quinoa has a lime and orange vinaigrette with mango, cranberries, and toasted coconut. So a unique flavor profile. The orzo and garbanzo with fresh cucumber has mint in it. Again, unique champagne vinegar as the vinaigrette. Last season you did purchase the farfalle, the bow ties with cucumbers. It's one of our #1 selling salads for summer with fresh cucumber and dill. So we know that dill and cucumbers go together well, but it gives that salad a unique flavor pop. We have 2 special potato salads for summer, sour cream and onion, made with real sour cream. So when you taste that, you're going to get the lactic properties of sour cream, just not a mayonnaise-based dressing. And you'll get the nice onion and scallion flavor profile. We model that after the flavor of a sour cream and onion potato chip. And behind that is our horseradish hickory bacon potato salad. And it's got real bacon bits, not fake in it.
Okay.
And the horseradish is a secondary flavor. When I was a kid, way back when, we bought a dip, a horseradish bacon dip for potato chips, and that's kind of the inspiration for that flavor profile. We have 3 summer specialty coleslaws. Ginger wasabi. When you taste it, you'll definitely know it's wasabi, but it's not going to knock you, back to the next room, but it's there. Then we just took a twist on our traditional coleslaw dressing.
These all come pre-mixed, right?
All
Pre-mixed.
pre-mixed.
You don't have to mix anything, it's still level.
A 6
They
vegetable.
come like that? Like I'm looking at right in front of me?
Mhm.
No, in a tray.
In a sealed
Oh,
gas
okay.
flush tray. Our 6 vegetable slaw: cabbage, fresh cucumber, red pepper, cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. Traditional
good.
dressing.
Very good.
And then we have a honey sesame salt with toasted sesame seeds, honey, and a little bit of ginger. So you're going to get the honey, the real honey flavor that's in
I
there.
feel like I've had that before. Did I have that before?
We might have showed it to you last year.
Also, just completing the discussion on the grains, on the end there's a farro salad. Farro falls into that category
I
of
feel like I had tried that
ancient
before
grains.
too.
You may have had that one before.
That's
too.
a Ruth item.
We're finding that items like quinoa, 3 years ago, people couldn't pronounce it. Now, Ron has it at home 3 times a week.
You know, it's interesting, my wife said she went to Costco, she got
Big
steaks,
salad.
spinach, quinoa cake she bought. That's what I'm having tonight.
But
Wow.
you see now in Costco too, you
You
can
were
buy
just
the
before our
big,
time.
big
My mouth is
3-pound
watering. I know
bags,
what quinoa is now.
the 3-pound bags of quinoa. So there were things that maybe were a little too early for prime time that are now on the scene.
definitely.
And acceptable.
That's true.
Moving down at this end, and away from the ingredient discussion, we have our Southwest turkey burger. And then this year we took our traditional turkey burger and glazed it with barbecue sauce to change it out a little bit.
Barbecue sauce. Why can't we just take our regular burger and put barbecue sauce on it?
We'll
Well,
suggest
we
that
did
to
it,
him.
we
That's
did
what
it
he
for
says
you.
all the time to me.
Well, we'll pack it that way, right? Sriracha, #1 selling SKU at Haddon House from Strippers.
Yeah, ever had sriracha? Subway's got it on their sandwiches now, every restaurant is.
So instead of
It's
just having.
spicy, right?
Yeah.
Very-
Not
instead of just-
overpowering, not like
Right.
It's got a
Tabasco.
complex spice.
Right.
For me, it's too spicy. I can't. Sriracha chicken. We also did a sweet Thai chili glazed chicken on the right. Our sausage and peppers, we changed that a little bit. You may have seen it before, but now we're leaving the links whole and grilling them. They give it more that look like you do at home,
Right.
off the grill and fresh. Tokyo grilled chicken is made from our teriyaki chicken. And there's certain things that we know, we'd like to pack it fully finished, but it's not going to make it for 17 days from the time it's made. So what we would provide you with is a job aid like this that talks step by step.
There's
about-
too many steps.
No, but, well, we can condense it down for you. When we
There's
made
like
this,
15
right,
steps.
because this tells
We'll
you.
take out 1 through 12.
It can be very, very simple, but we said gather the garnishes, this brand.
Mhm.
This is specific to the point of,
Gotcha.
we're assuming no skill. We could adjust that for you.
We could even do it in illustrations, so that they don't read.
Somebody wanted a YouTube video, I'm not ready for that yet.
That's a good idea.
I could do that.
Right.
That's a good idea.
That was good.
How are they gonna watch it?
Just log on to YouTube.
They all have phones.
Behind the counter?
The
They can go-
18-year-olds who work at the
That's
deli
what you want
department
your
all have
employees
phones.
doing?
I think it's a great idea. I think that George is probably the older generation.
What happens to an employee in the store if he's caught texting?
They get in trouble, but if they're watching an informative video on how to make their Tokyo grilled chicken in the break room,
Exactly. I mean, it's a great idea.
We have the iPads where we can bring it around and show everybody.
alright, we're not really doing that. Can we move on?
Sure. So 3 grilled chickens, 3 specialty
Watch,
chicken
someone else is
salads
gonna
for
come out
salad.
with that. We missed it.
We have our grilled chicken salad, cranberry tarragon chicken salad, and a curry chicken salad with white and dark raisins.
Is that in this world?
2 new specialty meatballs.
I was gonna ask you what the hell that was.
It's a chicken parmesan meatball
That's pretty cool.
with a parmesan and Romano cheese
They don't come
filling.
with that fun stuff on top, right?
No, the fun stuff, that'll be on the job.
That would be step 2 and 3.
Right. And then we have a buffalo blue cheese meatball. And,
That's very interesting. Who developed those, you?
No. I want full credit. I've been after you for a year. to make
he's been
this.
asking me to make them, but they weren't filled. You weren't
You
thinking
didn't
filled.
make them, you may have had the ice.
She said, whose idea was your exact words?
Who was?
The buffalo blue cheese I tried last year, but couldn't get it right.
That's fairly cool.
We presented.
And then we-
Actually, you know where I got that
These
idea
I'm gonna
from?
have to taste, so you can start eating one up.
Where I got the idea from, I started going around to all the specialty stores in Manhattan, getting Maluka and
Yeah.
Frank's and everything, and everyone had these big chicken meatballs.
They're
with-
both chicken?
with
Yeah.
Parmesan.
But
I
they
said,
weren't
And
filled.
they looked incredible.
Right?
So they were like 8 ounces, so I said, you know what, let's make it a little smaller,
Right.
low price, affordable, and
The
here
key
we go.
is, when we heat this up, I don't know how we did it, patterning it, the cheese does not melt and run out.
Right.
That was the challenge I had when I went to, when they were formed and baked.
Yeah.
The cheese kept coming out. I had
Yeah.
There it
holes
is.
in it.
Yeah. Then you would have a meatball.
Meatballs with a
in it.
hole is no good.
No, that's
So
not
I
gonna
have
make
all
people
your out here,
happy.
keep